Stock Market Investing for Beginners. Learn the basics of stock market investing and strategies in 5 days and learn it well. By Michael Ezeanaka. Narrated by Randal Schaffer. Copyright 2019. All rights reserved. Except as permitted under the U.S. Copyright Act of 1976. The scanning, uploading, and distribution of this book via the Internet or via any other means without the express permission of the author is illegal and punishable by law. Please purchase only authorized electronic editions, and do not participate in or encourage electronic piracy of copyrighted material. Disclaimer. This publication is designed to provide competent and reliable information regarding the subject matter covered. However, it's sold with the understanding that the author is not engaged in rendering investment or other professional advice. Laws and practices often vary from state to state and country to country, and if investment or other expert assistance is required, the services of a professional should be sought. The author specifically disclaims any liability that's incurred from the use or application of the contents of this book. Introduction. Mary is a single mother. She didn't finish high school. She has a hard time getting a job. So, to make ends meet, she decided to become a stay-in housemaid. She worked 6 days a week and almost 16 hours a day. During her 5th year as a house helper, her employer gave her a $2,000 bonus. She used that money to invest in the stock market. She met with a financial advisor, opened a stock investment account, and started investing. She continued to put $120 a month to her investment account. After a few years, her $2,000 investment grew to $120,000. She used a little bit of the money to start a small soap business and earned more. Mary's story is not unique. She's only one of the thousands of people who made a lot of money investing in the stock market. Stock market investment is a great option for you if you're looking for passive income options and the ability to earn money while you're asleep. But you must know that not everyone wins big in the stock market. While a lot of people are getting richer through stock investment, a number of investors are losing money too. While some investors are striking it rich, others lost all the money they invested. The stock market is not only an intimidating subject, it's also a bit of a slippery slope. This is the reason why you should have a deep understanding of how the stock market works before you even start investing. You've given yourself a great advantage by getting a copy of this book. It contains basic stock market strategies that will help increase your chance of creating a profitable and sustainable portfolio of stocks. This book is written for first-time stock market investors, so it's easy to understand. It is basically stock investing for dummies. It thoroughly explains seemingly intimidating concepts like stock trading, index investing, exchange-traded funds, ETF, index fund investing, penny stocks, and stock trading. It is your ultimate beginner guide to stock investing. In this book, you'll discover what the stock market is and how you can make money through it, what a stock is and why they exist, how the stock market works, the major players in the stock market, what an index is, the difference between a bull market and a bear market, the role that SEC and other regulators play in the stock market, how you can invest in the stock market, what a 401k plan is, what an IRA is and how it can help you achieve financial independence, smart investment strategies that can help you earn bigger returns, how to pick the right stock to invest in, factors to consider when choosing a stock, how to minimize unnecessary losses, the right companies to invest in, the stock research process, how to build a stock position, what a stockbroker is and how to pick the right one, how to read your broker trade confirmations,
Sample complete. Ready to continue?